What is going on, YouTube? DJ K coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm just going to talk about Luna briefly. And I'm using Luna now because I'm having issues like with Pro Tools and won't even open. I don't know what's going on with it. I just can't. Certain plugins make it just not open. Like I think Amplitude 5 is what's causing the crash right now. I tried to delete it and still won't. Still bringing it up saying Amplitude 5 is making it crash, which is crazy to me. But anyway, so now I got Luna going on a computer. I just decided to track out two stereo tracks in Luna, but I got Luna set up to where it is controlling the MPC Key 61. So I just go to MIDI clock on there on sync, and it's going through the MIDI output. On the back is a cable here for MIDI out going into the PreSonus Quantum MIDI input for MIDI only. I'm not using it for audio, just MIDI, because the UAD Apollo X6 does not have MIDI, of course. So now Luna's able to control the MPC or whatever drum machine you got. This is how you would hook it up. And you can just I'm gonna go to like the song. I'm just gonna play a little bit of this beat just to show y'all how it is controlling it. So as you can see, it's controlling the beat. Sound like it's a little off. I don't know what's going on there, but it's recording pretty good anyway. Even though it sounds a little delayed, I don't know. I think it's what it was. It was playing this version, this non-recorded version into there, so it sounded like it had some latency. It doesn't have too much latency anyway, but I don't know why it was sounding kind of strange there. But anyway, this is gonna be the DAW that I'm gonna be using from here on out. The Luna's free. You can't beat free. They've been updating it quite a bit since I've had it. I think when I first got it, it couldn't even do MIDI sync. I don't think it had MIDI sync at first. Now I got it now. So now you can sync up your MPC or whatever kind of drum machine you got using MIDI with the Luna software. You just go into preferences. That's what I did. Went into preferences and go to MIDI right here. And then I got my quantum right there selected. I selected this too, but it wouldn't work. So I had to use the quantum for my MIDI, basically, so it'll work. So pretty much it works now. So now the software is able to control the MPC. And that's what I was trying to show y'all, even though it sounded like shirt just now. Anyway, now we're going to go to how I got it running, how I got my audio running. So I got the MPC 1 and 2 is going from the Manley into, for the drums basically, is going into these Heritage Audio HA609A compressor limiter. Manley 4-channel. I'm only using 2 of the channels on it though. And going into this. And the other track is going through this Heritage Audio mic pre. You can plug in instruments into this thing, and you can plug in keyboards. You can do the microphone, and it's a amplifier / EQ. So that's how I'm doing it, and yeah, that's my setup right now. I'm loving it. I think it's pretty dope. I'm probably gonna add a couple more pieces, man. You know, I'm just gonna go slowly with it, you know, and I think I want to get me a bus compressor. I don't know, maybe the Successor by Heritage Audio, the Successor, and I want to get a Neve Portico 2, but that thing is like $4,600, you know, so unless I hit the Powerball or something, I ain't gonna be getting that no time soon, but I might get it eventually, you know, save up. I use Zounds to get a lot of this stuff, so that's what you can do too. You can pay to play, you know. So like on this joint here, this is on Zounds. I think it's $2,000. Put some money down on it, and then you can make the payments where it's affordable. And the same thing with this here. This is like $1,699. You can put money down on this also, and and make it to where the monthly payments ain't that much, like $138 a month. You can't beat that. This here, you got to put down a little bit more money because it's $2,000 some dollars. I think it's like $2,200. And I don't even know if they sell this thing anymore. You don't really got to buy it, but you know, it's old, you know, pretty much. The PreSonus Quantum is pretty old. And this thing here is about $2,600. And they have this also on Zounds.com. Links will be in the description box for all this stuff. And even the MPC Key, you know they got that as well. It's like $1,499. Right now the price is dropped on it. So yeah, that's my setup now. And I got some other stuff too, but it's off camera. Basically, I'm not gonna really show y'all, like turntables and other drum machines. I got the machine down here on the ground. Machine Plus, I haven't messed with it yet, but yeah. Got my Akai MPC X, the classic. That was a classic now, of course. I guess, you know. But anyway, catch y'all on the next video. DJ K is out.